Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting access right now. Put on your Quest 2, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign into your Meta account. Once signed in, open Quick Settings and enable the headset microphone. On your phone, make sure the Quest app has microphone permissions. You do this because voice chat requires both account sync and hardware access. Without permissions, the headset cannot transmit audio. Make sure Bluetooth headsets are paired if you use one, and proceed when your audio levels appear active. Next, open Settings and navigate to social or experimental features depending on your firmware. You enable voice chat or party audio and choose a privacy level, friends or everyone, because that controls who can hear you. Then adjust mic sensitivity and headset output so other players can hear clearly. This avoids clipping or being too quiet. If you plan to switch often, learn the push to mute or controller mute shortcut. Once configured, invite a friend to test or join a party. Finally, test voice chat by joining a party and speaking. Ask someone to confirm audio quality. If others can't hear you, make sure app and system mic permissions are enabled, then restart the Quest 2 and the companion app. Repair any Bluetooth headset. Also check headset volume and mic sensitivity again. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Meta account or reinstall the Quest app. Only consider a factory reset as a last resort, and back up account data before doing so.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.